Most air compressors for home garages are loud, underpowered, and fail within months. A bad pick wastes money and stalls every quick project. Ever wrestle with hoses, leaks, and slow air delivery during a project? This video breaks down the top picks so you can shop with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best air compressor for home garage that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Klutch 20-gallon air compressor. From the moment you unbox it, this compact yet capable unit signals that home hobbyists and small garages can rely on steady airflow. The design prioritizes portability without sacrificing capacity, inviting weekend warriors and professional contractors who need reliable power on-site and at home. A stout cast iron twin-cylinder pump and splash lubrication promise durability, while a balanced crankshaft reduces vibration during long sessions. The unit uses a 60-gallon vertical air tank that provides extended tool run times and reduces cycling during demanding tasks. A belt-driven design delivers respectable recovery times after cycles, maintaining consistent pressure while reducing heat buildup during continuous air tool operation. Maintenance is straightforward with manual tank drain, petcock drain valve, and an oil sight gauge that lets you confirm oil levels. In real-world testing, the unit held steady pressure across multi-tool runs, delivering reliable air supply without frequent overheating or pressure drops. The cooling and protective features include thermal overload protection that guards against overheating, ensuring dependable operation during extended sessions. Powered by a heavy-duty induction motor paired with a balanced flywheel, this unit handles automotive and garage projects with consistent performance. Compared to a rival 60-gallon model, the Klutch delivers equal tank capacity while offering easier mobility and a friendlier price point. The pros include solid build quality, reliable oil sight gauge, and generous tank capacity for extended tool use. The cons include heavier overall weight for portability and a higher upfront cost relative to smaller, less capable rivals. During field tests, the Klutch maintains steady pressure under continuous tool use, delivering consistent performance with minimal cycling interruptions. Recovery periods remain rapid after burst usage, keeping tools ready without prolonged downtime, which makes it ideal for framing and finishing work. Overall value ties capacity, durability, and ease of maintenance together, supporting common garage tools such as impact wrenches and spray guns. At number 4, we have the DEWALT DWFP55126. Designed for home garages and DIY enthusiasts, this unit aims to blend compact storage with reliable air delivery. It targets DIYers who want pro-grade performance without the weight and noise commonly associated with larger tools. For garage enthusiasts seeking consistent performance, the unit feels sturdy, compact, and pairs a 6-gallon tank with a rugged shell. Its maximum PSI reaches 165, allowing extended runs with high-demand tools. The unit provides 2.6 SCFM at 90 PSI, enabling fast tool recovery after short bursts. Noise is managed well, keeping operation relatively quiet for garage projects and late-night touch-ups. The oil-free pump reduces maintenance requirements while delivering dependable performance across many rounds of use. A sturdy console cover protects controls and is removable to simplify service in the field. Outlets and hoses are configured with a rerouted tube to minimize snag points during setup. In practice, the 6-gallon tank delivers ample capacity for nailers, brad nailers, and small finish work. Real-world testing showed consistent pressure under common household tasks with quick recovery between tool cycles. Compared to a typical budget pancake, this model offers faster recovery and steadier pressure under load. The pros include oil-free pump, quiet operation, and long tool runtime. The cons include higher price relative to budget options and lack of wheels for easy mobility. At number 3, we have the Klutch Air Compressor. This model relies on a robust 2-horsepower motor that delivers steady performance under load while thermal overload protection guards against overheating. The unit features a 60-gallon vertical tank that provides ample air reserve for extended tool run times and quick recovery. A splash oil lubricated cast iron twin-cylinder pump pairs with a balanced ball-bearing supported crankshaft to boost durability and smooth operation. Thermal overload protection helps prevent overheating during prolonged use, extending the unit's lifespan and maintaining consistent performance. Designed for multi-application use, it suits both professional and DIY projects thanks to a heavy-duty induction motor and balanced flywheel. The belt-driven design supports rapid recovery between cycles without sacrificing performance, a real advantage during continuous use. Maintenance is straightforward with a manual tank drain, a petcock drain valve, and an oil sight gauge that keeps oil checks simple. The compressor runs on a standard 120-volt supply and delivers a peak pressure around 175 psi, enabling steady operation with common tools. Ideal for home garages, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who need reliable air supply for framing, sanding, and bolting. In practical testing, it maintained consistent pressure during extended runs and delivered ample air for large tools without frequent restarts. Although sizable, the Klutch unit offers portability within a workshop thanks to a compact footprint and wheels. Compared to a compact DEWALT model with a smaller tank, the Klutch offers far greater tank capacity and faster recovery for demanding tasks. The pros include durable cast iron pump, 60-gallon tank, and easy maintenance. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 2, we have the AstroAI Portable Air Compressor, a compact dual-power inflator built for fast tire topping on the road. This model offers 12-volt DC and 120-volt AC dual power, enabling use in vehicles and homes without separate adapters. Its rugged yellow housing and metal cylinder pair with solid connectors to deliver a sturdy, long-lasting impression for daily garage use. Key features include dual power modes and fast inflation with high volume output and high pressure reaching 150 psi. OmniVent technology combines axial flow fans and redesigned air ducts to boost heat dissipation, extending continuous run times and preserving pump longevity. A bright LED light illuminates the work area, and the unit shuts off at preset pressure, while memory recalls the last setting. The display shows both the preset and current tire pressure, enabling precise inflation with 4 selectable units conveniently. Large volume mode delivers 350 liters per minute, while high pressure fills from 0 to 36 psi in 5 minutes. With dual metal motors and a metal cylinder, the unit can run continuously for up to 15 minutes before requiring cooling intervals. A practical air hose compartment and compact form factor make it easy to store in a trunk or garage shelf. During field testing, inflating a typical car tire from near flat to 36 psi matched the 5-minute target. Compared to a popular EPA Auto 12-volt model, this AstroAI offers dual power sources and longer continuous runtime thanks to OmniVent cooling. The pros include robust build quality with premium materials, dual power versatility for vehicle and home use, and bright LED illumination with shutoff. The cons include a higher price point than basic inflators and a somewhat bulky footprint that occupies more garage shelf space. At number 1, we have the CARSUN Air Compressor. Dual power design lets the unit draw from a car's 12-volt socket or a standard wall outlet for flexible use. The pump can reach up to 150 psi, allowing fast inflation for car tires and other inflatables. An intelligent preset feature lets you choose a target pressure for cars, bikes, and inflatables, with automatic shutoff and memory for later use. A bright backlit LCD display shows pressure in PSI, bar, kPa, and kg per square centimeter, complemented by a high-contrast LED light. The package includes a storage bag, replacement fuse, air nozzle cone, ball inflation needle, Presta-to-Schrader adapter, and a user manual. The kit includes a 6.6-foot AC power cord and a 9.8-foot DC cord for flexible setup. To prevent overheating, users should let the compressor cool for at least 10 minutes after running for roughly 15 minutes. In head-to-head tests, it inflated a standard sedan tire from 0 to 36 psi in about 5 minutes. The memory function automatically saves the previous pressure setting for next use, speeding up repetitive inflations across sessions. Compared with a typical budget portable inflator, the CARSUN Air Compressor offers dual power sources and smoother automatic shutoff, boosting versatility. The pros include dual power source, auto shutoff presets, and a digital gauge with backlight. The cons include not for trucks and cooling downtime after heavy use. A compact form factor allows easy stowage in a car glove compartment or home garage, aided by the included storage bag. Buyers seeking convenience, versatility, and faster tire inflation for cars, bikes, and inflatables will appreciate the CARSUN Air Compressor's comprehensive bundle and support.